On my video on the VTK tutorial, I had installed cmake and also installed the ITK library. Now let's go ahead and go to ITK.org, go into the Resources tab and click on Download. Let's download the source from SourceForge. Takes about a second. And wait for the download to complete. Once ITK completes the download, let's extract it. I'm using 7-zip, but you can use any other archiving software. Just like how we had installed VTK in C drive, let's head over to C drive and create a folder for ITK. Inside that we create two more folders, one for the source and the other for the build. Let's copy our extracted source ITK files and paste them into the source folder. Now let's open up cmake and set the source to our new source folder and the build location to our newly created bin location. Click on Configure. Now this should take some time. Once the initial configuration for ITK completes, you can find that cmake has given you a lot of options for the build. Let's uncheck build testing for now. And also, since we have installed VTK and would like to create applications that use both ITK and VTK together, let's go ahead into Advanced and find a module that is required for using them both seamlessly. It's called module_ItkVtkGlue. Let's check that. Click Configure once again. And then let's go ahead and click on Generate. Now cmake should have created the Visual Studio solution files that you require to build ITK. Let's go ahead into the ITK folder, bin, and let's find the solution file for ITK. Let's wait for Visual Studio to show us ready in the bottom left corner. Then we can proceed to build the solution. Now we can go ahead and right click on all build and then click on build. Now this can take quite some amount of time depending on the configuration of your system. Once the build completes, we are ready to run an ITK example. So let's head over to the ITK folder in the C drive. Open the ITK folder, go to the source folder, examples, installation, and here you will find a .cxx file and the cmake lists file. Let's copy them both and head over to Documents, Visual Studio, Projects, and create a new project. Right now I'll name it ITK1. I will create a folder called Source and paste the files inside this. In ITK1 I will also create a folder for the build, so let's create a folder called bin. Let's open cmake and set the source folder as the source and the bin folder too. Hit configure. Hit configure once again and then generate. Go back to the bin folder, open the Microsoft Windows Visual Studio solution file. Right click on all build and then click on build. Once the build succeeds, there should be an executable called Hello World inside the debug folder. Let's copy this path. Open cmd, cd, and paste the path. Let's execute that executable. And you should see ITK Hello World, which means that the ITK libraries are being utilized by this program.